You better stop that right now. I don't even...
Okay, first of all, that's not a laugh. I can't even do it.
You know what? I don't think you define what a laugh is. Oh wait, you do, because you're a joke!
You're so retarded.
Stupid.
She has Ebola.
Oh, do you know how many poor little African children are dying from that? You could have been one of those poor little African children. Just switch out Romanian.
I'm not even African.
Yes, you are. You're clearly African.
Well, good morning, and this is what I'm gonna have to brush through in a second. It's actually pretty bad. You know, I move a lot in my sleep, and this is what happens. This is what happens. Ugh. But yes, today is Saturday. Yeah, my dad just left. He's gonna go on a motorcycle ride, and then Ian's still sleeping. But I'm basically gonna be at home today until I have to go in to work tonight. But yes, I'm gonna attempt to brush my hair and hop in the shower. So I'll see you guys afterwards. Okay, so I am back, and the shower only took about, well, it's 12:46, but I didn't take one for 45 minutes, so I took one for about 25 minutes, and then I went downstairs and had some lunch. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up my room for a little bit, and then I'll probably just splurge on YouTube for, again, another little bit. I mean, because next week is Spirit Week at my school, and they literally assigned everything on this past week or the week after. So I literally have nothing for this weekend, like no homework. So anyway, oh, and I got my pot. You see this? It's with these booklets I was telling you guys about. You save these stickers from when you go shopping, and then you stick them on the book, and then you get a free pot and pan with it. So I got my first pot. It's exciting. It was like a $65 pot, and guess who got it for free? Me. So yes, I'm very excited, but I'm not going to use it until like I moved out and I'm in my own place and everything, because I don't want to go into my own like apartment or house without any cookware. So that's what I'm doing. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Okay, so the time is about 1:23, and I just finished cleaning up my room. There's literally not a spot on the floor. Blink. There she is. Hi. Hold it the other way, baby girl. It's recording. Yes, I know, but you're holding it the wrong way. Her name is Midnight. Got her for about 12,000. Yes, it's so gorgeous. Got like clouded sky, sunshine, happy dog. It is. I always grab the phone upside down. 4:08. I have to be at work at 5:30.
What flavor is that? Coffee.
She says, hi, buddy boy. Hey, Dylan. Hey, Dylan. Mama says hi. She said hi. Mama says hi. He doesn't care. He wants to eat that bone. He wants to eat that bone. And you want to eat that bone. You baby boy. And it looks so yummy. And it looks so yummy.
So today is day one.
Today is day one of Spirit Week, and we're all super stoked.
No, cut that.
Cut that.
Cut that.
I think my face will distract
Ali over here is a security officer who totally denied her clients.
a mall cop.
There you go. Mall cop. Right there. Right there.
Right there.
I am a peds nurse.
She's a peds nurse. The cute little doggies. Like happy animal things. And Olaranti is
I'm a surgeon.
a surgeon. Show everybody your...
Yeah, I got a knife.
surgeon.
Unsanitary knife.
Yeah, if I'm around, I'll still use it.
You're gonna get fired. You're gonna get fired.
And then I'm a DQ person. Because I used to work at DQ. And then it's lunchtime and we're all eating lunch right now.
I'm gonna go back generations.
But yeah, it's 12:30.
Avoid that.
She's a weirdo.
You're such a freak.
See our hallway is over there. And that's the junior hallway. Yeah. Time for 6th hour. See, you're not camera shy.
I am. Like, I don't want it.
In my neighborhood.
You were doing great. Really, really, really good.
Was it in my neighborhood?
Yeah.
That was the first
Yeah.
Say see you in the arena.
See you in the arena.
Not right now.